Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best ShelterLogic is probably one of the most versatile and durable options available for anyone looking to protect their vehicles, equipment, or outdoor living spaces from the elements, offering a robust and reliable solution that stands up to harsh weather conditions and provides long-lasting value for a variety of needs. Number 5. ShelterLogic 10 feet by 10 feet shed in a box. This shed features a robust 1 to 3/8-inch thick, all-steel metal frame. It's built to withstand the elements and provide reliable storage. The premium powder-coated finish ensures it won't chip, peel, rust, or corrode. This means it's made to last for years to come. Its gray cover is crafted from a durable, triple-layer ripstop material. It's completely waterproof and UV-treated to prevent fading. The ratchet-tight system keeps the cover perfectly tensioned. This ensures a neat appearance and protects your stored items. Our easy slide cross rail system locks down the frame. This guarantees a continuous, perfect fit between the frame and the fabric cover. Designed for all seasons, this storage solution offers reliable protection. Keep your belongings safe and dry year-round. What we like. This offers robust protection with its all-steel frame and advanced triple-layer waterproof cover. If you need a durable, long-term storage solution for your yard that can withstand various weather conditions, this is an excellent choice. Its heavy-duty anchors ensure it stays put, making it ideal for those seeking reliable outdoor storage. What people say. The cover is made of a durable, UV-resistant material that has held up well against sun and rain. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The frame is sturdy and provides excellent stability, even in windy conditions. Number 4. ShelterLogic 8 feet by 8 feet shed in a box all-season steel shed. Discover the ultimate outdoor storage solution. This all-season steel shed offers robust protection and ample space for your needs. Engineered to withstand the elements, it provides reliable shelter throughout the year. Keep your belongings safe and dry, no matter the weather. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and a waterproof cover, this shed is built to last. Enjoy long-term durability and peace of mind. Featuring an innovative easy slide cross rail system, it ensures a secure and square frame for a perfect fit. Setup is straightforward and reliable. Includes heavy-duty, reusable auger anchors for maximum stability. Your storage unit will remain firmly in place, even in windy conditions. With its generous 8 foot by 8 foot by 8 foot dimensions, it offers plenty of room for tools, equipment, and more. Organize your outdoor space efficiently. What we like. This option provides essential all-season protection in a more compact footprint. If you have limited space but still need reliable storage for tools, bikes, or seasonal items, this is perfect. Its easy slide cross rail system simplifies setup, making it a convenient choice for smaller yards or tighter spaces. What people say. The ShelterLogic 10 by 20 by 8 feet peak-style garage is a great value for the price. Easy to assemble and provides ample space for my car and storage needs. The heavy-duty frame and waterproof cover offer excellent protection from the elements. Number 3. ShelterLogic Peak-Style Instant Garage. Experience superior strength and stability with its robust 1 to 3/8-inch thick, all-steel frame. It's built to withstand the elements and provide reliable protection. The structure is designed for longevity. Its premium powder-coated finish resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion, ensuring it stays looking great. Stay protected from rain and sun. The advanced triple-layer ripstop cover is completely waterproof and UV-treated to prevent fading. Enjoy peace of mind with our patented ShelterLock stabilizers. They ensure rock-solid stability for a durable and dependable shelter. Our ratchet-tight system guarantees a perfectly taut cover. This ensures a neat appearance and optimal protection against weather. The easy slide cross rail system makes setup a breeze. It locks down and squares up frames for a perfect fit every time. With 146 square feet of storage area, this provides ample space for your vehicle or other storage needs. Its generous dimensions offer plenty of room. What we like. This provides exceptional stability and a generous amount of space, perfect for sheltering vehicles or larger equipment. If you're looking for a sturdy carport or a spacious temporary garage that offers superior wind resistance thanks to its patented stabilizers, this is the one. Its peak roof design also aids in water and snow runoff. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty polyethylene material which is very durable and resistant to UV rays, rot, and mildew. The frame is constructed from heavy-gauge galvanized steel which provides excellent stability and strength. The structure is designed with a wide base and anchoring system, ensuring it stays securely in place even in strong winds. Number 2. ShelterLogic 12 feet by 12 feet Equine, Livestock and Agricultural Shelter Enclosure Kit. This enclosure kit is designed for a universal fit. It works with all standard 12 foot by 5 foot corral panels, gates, and fencing, regardless of their tube profile. Constructed from durable 7.5 ounces ripstop fabric, it offers superior shade and weather protection. Keep your horses, livestock, and agricultural storage safe and comfortable. Enjoy maximum water resistance thanks to heat-sealed seams. The UV treatment also prevents fading and degradation, ensuring it lasts through the seasons. Setting up and taking down is a breeze with the included lacing rope system. We recommend 2 people for an easy installation process. The ratchet-tight tensioning system ensures a drum-tight fit on the end panel. This provides a secure and stable cover that stands up to harsh weather conditions. The kit includes 1 end panel, 3 side panels, lacing rope, and a complete hardware kit with easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. This is specifically designed for agricultural needs, offering a durable and weather-resistant enclosure for livestock. If you need a flexible solution to protect your animals or store feed and equipment, this kit is ideal. Its universal fit for standard corral panels and heavy-duty fabric ensures reliable protection against the elements. What people say. The ShelterLogic 10 by 20 by 8 feet Supermax canopy is a great value for its size and durability. It was easy to assemble and provides excellent shade and protection from the elements. The heavy-duty frame and waterproof cover make it a reliable choice for outdoor storage or events. Number 1. AutoShelter 10 by 20 feet Replacement Cover Kit. Introducing a heavy-duty replacement cover kit designed to protect your belongings. This tough, ripstop cover is built to last. Keep everything dry with its 100% waterproof design. It's treated inside and out to resist UV damage. This cover is specifically made for ShelterLogic models 62680 and 32680. Please ensure your original part numbers match. The kit includes everything you need for a secure fit, such as ratchets and bungee cords. Installation is straightforward. This package contains the tan cover, rear panel, and a double-zippered door panel. Please note, the frame is not included. If you have any questions or are unsure about compatibility, please reach out to us. We're here to help ensure you get the right fit. What we like. This is the perfect solution if your existing frame is in good condition but the cover needs replacing. If you own a 10 by 20 feet ShelterLogic AutoShelter and are looking for a direct, high-quality replacement that includes essential features like door panels and ratchets, this kit is for you. It ensures your shelter remains waterproof and UV protected without needing to buy a whole new unit. What people say. The cover is made of a heavy-duty ripstop material that is waterproof and UV resistant. The frame is constructed from galvanized steel for durability and rust resistance. The structure is easy to assemble and provides ample space for storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.